Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here, and I am gonna start a series of animals as unicorns. So I've had a lot of my friends at the studio recently request random animals with unicorn horns. So today we are going to do something called a Llamacorn, which is a llama with a unicorn horn. I'm starting today with Sharpie on paper, but I would recommend you guys starting with pencil, whether you're working on paper today or if you're working on canvas. Always start with pencil and eraser. That way if you make a mistake, you can erase. So whenever I start a llama, I like to start with the big tall ears. So I'm gonna do, they're almost like bunny ears. So there's one ear. And then I'd go over just a little bit. And then here I'm gonna start, I gotta leave room for my unicorn horn. So you know what, I'm gonna put that on right now so I don't forget. So I'm gonna do an up and a down like this. And then I'm gonna curve the bottom of my unicorn horn. And then whenever I do unicorn horns, I usually do these like curved lines like this. Okay, so we've got one ear, we've got the horn. So now we're gonna finish. We're gonna get the other side of the head, the other really tall llama ear like this. All right, so we've got two tall ears and we've got the unicorn horn. So the next thing I need to do is I like to put these little pinky middles in my llama's ears, just like when I do bunny's ears. It's kind of the same thing. I always like to have like a pinky middle, like this. All right, so we've got the top of the head done. Next thing we need to do is we need to do the fluffy sides of the body. So I've already done a llama video. Actually, I think it was just like last week. So you guys might have watched that one. Llamas are fluffy guys. So I'm kind of just like fluffing like this. I just kind of like zigzag all the way down to the bottom of my page because llamas have really long necks. So this is like the llama's face and the long neck. The next thing I'm gonna do is I need to give this llama some eyes. So llamas have really, really big eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a curve up, big curve like this. Big curve up like this. Then I'm gonna do a big curve down, big curve down. Now as you can see, it's not like perfect. I do as best I can. Sparkles. Okay, a couple sparkles. And then I'm gonna fill in. And again, if you're not working with Sharpie, when you're done with your pencil, if you want to Sharpie it, you can. So when you start sharpening your sketch, go ahead and fill in the eyes because they're going to be black anyway. And if you're working on canvas, I always like Sharpie like the eyes like this first, but then I just go over it with black paint later. All right, so I'm filling in. This is looking awesome. All right, sparkly llama eyes. But we can't forget with llamas, they have these like really, really long curly eyelashes. So we need to do, and they stick out to the side. So I'm gonna do like maybe two on each side. I'm gonna make this one a little more curly. Okay, all right, so now that's starting to look like a llama. We need to get the snout though. So the snout is like right in between the eyes, and it's like a big Easter egg shape, like that. And then for the nose, I usually just do like an upside down triangle. And then I do my swoopy whoopy, like that. And then if you want to, it's kind of silly, but if you want your like llama talking or something, you can always do like an open mouth and like a tongue like this. I don't know what my llama's saying. I don't know what llamas say. I don't know. All right, but anyways, if you want to do like a cute mouth like that, you are more than welcome. So if you wanted to add like any accessories, a lot of times that I do my fluffy cute animals, I'll add little extra things. So I know we already have the extra horn up here, so I don't know if I would put like a flower in the hair, but you know, something else you can do with llamas is sometimes you can put like little necklace on them. Like I don't know, when I look at like drawings of llamas and pictures of llamas, I don't know why they have this, but they have like these little decorative like strings and fringes. So if you want to put like something like extra, like just kind of like cutesy stuff, you can. Like they could be wearing like a scarf, because a lot of times I like to put scarves on my animals. So this is, again, it's like extra. You guys don't have to like add this stuff. This is just like Miss Kate going kind of crazy with decorations. Okay, so whenever you get to a point where you're like, okay, my Lamacorn looks awesome, I'm completely done. All right, so when you are painting or coloring this, llamas in real life are kind of like a creamy white color. So if you're painting this, the color that I would use to paint a llama would be mostly white with maybe like a teeny tiny tap of yellow. If you are coloring this with colored pencils, I would take like a yellow, or like I have this gold color, and I would just maybe push really lightly with my pencil so like it's not like too dark. So I would color it like this, but if you guys want to do something different and make a pink llama, that's fine. You can color this Llamacorn any way that you want. So another thing that I like to do with my llamas is whenever I do a llama, I think I was talking about this earlier, my pinky middle to my ear. So a lot of times I'll put like a pinky middle in my ear like this, and a unicorn horn. Like you can make that any color. It doesn't have to be like white, or it doesn't have to be gold. It could be like rainbow colored if you want. So, and the nose, if you want to do like the nose pink, if you have a little like tongue like this showing because the llama's talking, you can have that pink. So really you can make this your own in the way that you paint or color it. Thank you for joining me today for my Llamacorn drawing, or some of you might be painting. I am continuing to post a new art video every day until we go back to school at 1 p.m. And this week, we're gonna have a lot of animals with unicorn horns. Hope to see you tomorrow.